Alright, today we're going to be testing out the Triumph Systems threat down targets. We have Big Bad Yeti here. They have these paint packs in them, so when you hit them in certain vital areas they will bleed, so it looks like you have a lot of different chances to score different hits. So we have the airsoft gun out here. We're gonna see how the airsoft gun does against this. And a little bit further back we have the Evil Clown target. Evil Clown here. And same thing. Bunch of paint packs. A lot of different chances to get a hit. So we'll get the kids out here. This is all set up in our shooting lane. And yeah, we'll be shooting from over here at this table. It's about maybe 35 and 50 feet. We'll see how the kids do. Yeah, I'll be watching the road, make sure they're only shooting when there's no one coming by on the road. And it's airsoft, so it's pretty safe. Call it out.
Cloud. I'm gonna go for the cloud.
Oh, I heard you hit it.
I'm going for the Yeti.
Oh.
Wait, he's bleeding. He's bleeding.
He's bleeding? Oh, you did get him right there in the head. Nope.
He's bleeding.
Not yet.
Yeah,
Okay, put it on safe.
Shot him in the brain.
Okay, put it on safe. Alright, let me have. Yep. Let's see the first hit. Let's check it out.
You got between the both.
First hit. Oh yeah, that wasn't a direct hit,
Can we
but
go check on the cloud?
let's go look for the clown. Where were you aiming on the clown? He got kind of between the two packs right there.
I got him.
You got him?
Yeah, I barely shot him. I think
Yeah.
he touched him
Where?
right there.
Oh yeah, right there.
Yeah, I got him. I skinned him.
Just barely, yeah. That's where you were aiming?
Yeah. Well, I
Oh,
was trying to
dude.
aim it right here,
Okay. Alright.
but I wasn't holding.
Good shot, Andy.
Thank you.
Oh, missed. Okay, go for Yeti now.
We're in the Yeti, Junie. His head. Okay.
Oh, close.
Hi.
Okay. Nice try. Got a heart hit. Got some good blood action there. The airsoft is just enough to pop these. Oh, I hear oh, there he is. Mr. Squirrel over there.
Fire!
Hey, buddy.
Dad, they're spying on us.
And what did we get over here?
We've only hit
Oh,
the
it looks like we got a hit. Got that hit right there. And so far the kids like it. It's pretty cool. Oh, and that was her first hit. And that was the first hit in this right here. That was her hit.
Really?
Yeah, you see it right there?
Yeah. I think, Dad, I think mine hit the side of it.
Mm-hmm. Aim. Oh, that was a hit.
He did. Alright, Evan.
Put it down. There's a car.
I'm gonna aim for the Yeti's gut. The blue part. The blue part? That's his lungs. Left or right? Right. Okay.
Oh, just below. Alright, it was just my turn and they wanted me to do lung hits. Did we get lung hits? Oh, we did get lung hits. Alright, well, let's see.
He didn't go to the clown, guys. Yeah, I did. Both of them are the Yetis.
Well, I was aiming for the center of both lungs and it looks like I hit pretty much center. Yeah, pretty much center of both lungs.
That one just got barely tapped, but this one has a hole in it. Vivian,
Okay.
this one got tapped.
So that was the airsoft. So next we're gonna do the BB gun, okay?
Okay. BB gun.
And so what we're doing is we've got we got this airsoft rifle here, and then we got this
Now it's my turn, Junior.
760 Pump Master BB gun,
Yeah.
and then we got our awesome airsoft here. What are you aiming for, Andy?
Clown's heart.
Clown's heart? Okay, fire when ready. Ooh.
I got his lungs.
You got right between his heart and his lungs. Good shot, son. Okay. Put it on safe.
Yeah, it's on safety.
Alright. Nice shot, dude. Alright, Andy, what are you shooting for now?
Yeti's brain.
Yeti's brain. You get it?
Yeah.
Oh, you sure did get it.
No, I think that might be the old spot.
That was the old spot?
I don't know. No, it's not. That's brand new.
Okay.
That's brand new.
Nice shot, buddy. So did you get him here? Oh no, look, you got him right here in the eyebrow. Yeah. Yep, here's your BB shot. You were aiming for the brain?
Oh yeah.
You hit right there. So you need to aim up a little bit, okay?
And Dad, wanna see where I got this guy?
Yeah, let's check it out.
His lungs exploded.
Oh my gosh. Okay, don't touch the paint, okay?
His lungs exploded, look.
Oh wow, what a hit. So you're aiming right for the heart?
Yeah, and then I got his lungs.
Okay, but you were shooting standing up too, so that's kind of hard. Good job, buddy.
Oh, Dad, it even locks on.
Oh, look, there's a little air bubble right there.
Oh, it's
Right
dripping.
there. Yeah, that's all right.
Why is the air bubble? Oh, it's about to pop. Dad, it gets locked.
You aiming for the heart of the Yeti? Oh, I think you got it.
You got it. You got it. Oh, no, she didn't.
No?
Dad, you have to repump it.
Okay. So we got another long shot here. He just barely skimmed it. But that's pretty cool that he didn't have a direct hit on it. Where is it at? He didn't have a direct hit on it, but he still was able to get some blood coming out of it, even though it wasn't really right on target. Oh, it's oozing. Alright, good shot, Evan.
Thanks. And on the Yeti?
Yeah, where'd you go?
Right above the tooth.
Right above the tooth?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, he did.
Oh yeah, where were you aiming for?
This part right here.
You're aiming for the brain? Okay, you're a little low.
Yeah, I'm a little low.
Alright. Now we're going to do some burst shots. Alright, Andy, call out your target, and whenever you're ready, you get a little burst.
Yeti's heart.
Yeti's heart. Wait.
And go. Dang it, I didn't hear that. Go. Go. Yep. Alright, never time.
Nice. Okay, wait, Evan. Alright. Call out the target on the clown.
Clown's head.
Oh, you got some serious damage there. Alright, put it down, put it on safe. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
Oh, Dad, look at this Yeti's heart!
Oh, dude.
Oh, Dad, I got like 3.
You got some good hits there, buddy. Oh, look at that drip action.
One exploded! Dad, one of mine exploded!
Yeah? Oh, dude. Yeah, sure did.
I gotta go check on his heart. I gotta go check on his heart.
The burst shot. Huh? Yeah. Alright, don't touch it because the staples are going to pop out.
Wow.
Nice job, though, buddy. Okay, go ahead. Nice. Okay.
Inside this head.
Oh, too high, baby. Nice try, though.
Junior, what were you aiming for?
Good job. All right, Vivian. Out of the way, Junior.
Can we go
Junior, out of the way. Back here, behind the firing line. All right, Vivian. You aiming for Yeti first?
Yeah.
What are you aiming for? His heart?
His lungs.
His lungs? Okay, good job.
She got it.
And I'm aiming for the head on the cliff.
All right, go for it. Okay. Oh. All right, let's go check it out.
Oh, boy!
Yeah? Let's see. Come on, Junior. Oh, look at those hits. Those are some good hits. Oh, wasn't enough to pop them though, huh?
No, but Dad, look at my heart.
Yeah.
She shot my heart too, so then it made
Oh, look at all those face shots too.
Ooh, the cloud not.
Yep. Oh, this guy's heart still needs to get hit.
You know what, Evan?
Yo!
Oh, here's the damage to old Mr. Yeti face. Oh, look at that. Right there on his eye.
That was perfectly placed, huh?
That was me.
That was my dad.
That was me.
All right, so Andy's gonna be shooting full burst right now. And he's about, let's see, what is that? Maybe like 50, 60 feet away over there. So I'm trusting him right now to take out the target. All right, Andy. Full burst. Wait. Wait. Okay, go. Nice. Do it again. Yeah, sure, hold on. Go ahead. Nice job, dude. Put it on safe. Look at that, dude. Oh, man.
It's all oozing. Look at it.
Yep.
Oh, it's so covered with blood.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I almost fell in the blood, but I didn't.
Look at that, dude.
I'll go check this out. Oh! I want to go full on. Dad, can you help me?
And he got some hits on the heart right here. Nice job, buddy.
Thank you.
Nice shooting.
Okay,
Oh, look at this. Look at the airsoft stuck right there.
Get it. Can I try?
Oh, it fell down.
I found a BB bullet. Really?
Nice. Wow. You really got it, huh? All right, so what do you guys think about these targets?
I like them. I like them.
Okay, fun. You liked it? You liked it? How about you? Awesome. Okay. What did you guys like about this one?
What did we like about it?
Yeah.
I like about the guts.
The guts.
They're called lungs.
I like about the lungs because look at what happened. This one started bleeding, right?
Yep.
It down, and then somebody shot it.
Oh, that's right. Someone shot the blood splatter
That was
right there.
me. But I was just, when I was doing my full auto, I was just,
What else do you like about it? What did you like about it, Andy?
It was fun.
It was fun? Yeah? Alright, let's check out the clown. Let's see.
And because I got his brain
You did get his
and his
brain,
heart.
yeah. Yep. Yep. Well, look at his face. It's just chewed up. This guy's face, he's got holes all in his face. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's going on his nose.
What'd you like about this one?
The brain.
Yeah. You know what I like? Is that since we're done shooting for the day, but we can still like save it and have all of these other ones that we didn't hit. Next time we shoot, we can hit for those, and then those will explode. So like the paint from these ones is gonna dry up, but then we still have a good target, you know?
Yeah.
That's what I like about these targets. It's not just like one hit and then the whole thing's ruined, you know? It's like
Yeah.
you got a lot of chances to hit it, so this target's gonna be good for a while.
Yeah.
Right? All right.